to
so we just gotta pay the way.
Yeah. We made it to Osaka train station. Now we're just trying to figure out where to get our tickets printed out because we reserved them online. So we're trying to find the Nippon travel agency. But it's a nice train station so far. Plenty of shopping and stuff. Made it to Kobe, riding the train for like 20 minutes. It wasn't too bad at all.
Really enjoyed not having a truck.
Yeah, that was a super easy process. We basically got to the Osaka train station, got through security, and just got on the train. We did end up going one stop too far, but that's fine. It was super easy, and it was super cheap. He only had to pay like 460 yen to get the ticket here, and he got it like 10 minutes before we even had to get on the train. So we'll be spending a few days in Kobe, and then we're going off from here. Cool, the hotel we're staying at has some Soho Otani stuff. We just got to Kobe. And we found this cool outdoor mall with covering. And we got like an hour till we can check in. So we're walking around sightseeing. You can follow us along. Make sure to like and subscribe. Good afternoon. So we officially made it to the Kobe Plaza Hotel in Kobe, Japan. And we actually already had a meal of Kobe beef. I'll probably put this at the beginning. Make this the intro to the Kobe series. I actually never thought I would make it out here to Kobe, Japan, home of the Kobe beef. But I did, and we're here. It wasn't too bad. It was like a 30-minute train ride through the station or whatever. And you'll probably see that after, yeah, you'll see it after this. Because I want to take y'all through this hotel we're only staying here for one night, and it's $160, which is crazy because with where we were just staying in Osaka, we stayed for 4 nights for the $160 that we're staying for here. But it's kind of interesting because once you start looking around Japan, you'll notice that Kobe is actually way more expensive than Osaka. It's probably close to like Japan too. But I'm going to show you what this $160 hotel looks like. The door could be a little bit better, but here's the lobby. They have this is where complimentary breakfast is going to be. We got the American style because they either let you do American or Japanese style breakfast, and we both just went American because that's how we is. Is where we are. There's a dining shop, this, and then more of these. So let me show you the dining in the shop. Boop. And this is one of those hotels that in order to use the elevator, you gotta scan your key. Kind of a bummer, but whatever. So yeah, we're only staying here for one night. It's a Saturday and it's $160 a night. But at least they come with complimentary breakfast. I haven't actually been to this spot yet. This is apparently supposed to be where there's a dining and shop. But as you can tell, ain't nothing. Yep. This is for guest use only. Yep. Alright, well, so I guess second level's nothing. So, you know, why am I paying $160 if you don't even have much? I'll show you the third floor. This is where, like, the little smoking room is. And a few other things. Smoking room. They have, like, a complimentary coffee machine. Apparently they got comics. I don't think so. Because that's the small smoking rooms right in here. You know, this is it. Little smoking room. And then this is the meeting room. This is the like kind of sitting area. It's kind of crazy because all these places have these little things out here, but you're not allowed out on the porch for any of these. And let's see what it looks like on the top level. Bam. Since I got my key out, it makes it that much easier. So we gonna see what the laundry room looks like. I want to see what the view is, if there's like a viewing deck or anything from up here. And since I saw he's chilling, after we get done with this, I'm going to show you around the little mall we just walked around. Let's see, do they? No, I don't even know if they, where the laundry room would be. Oh, no smoking. I don't think they got laundry. Oh, it does say the laundry room's over here. Ah, okay. Yeah. There's the 9th level. I don't think we're allowed to do laundry, yeah. Oh, maybe. Oh, okay, yeah. You can do laundry here. From washing through drying. Okay. So they do only want you to use 3 kilograms. 100 yen coins only. Okay, cool. Well, no observation deck, but... Oh, you know, and then let me show you what a $160 room looks like. Because that's all the amenities. Y'all saw them. And, yeah, there's the breakfast downstairs, which I'll show you after this. And after the train ride and everything. But this is basically what $160 gets you in Kobe for a night. Whoop. Seems like it's a little bit more expensive than it needs to be for what you get. But it is what it is, you know? You can't complain. It's one of those things, we could have picked like a Japanese style room or something where they didn't have a couch or anything and you're sleeping on the floor on a pad. Or Like, maybe they don't even have a TV. I don't even know, but oopsies, I didn't want to be on this level. I needed to show y'all my room. But yeah, they had Japanese style, and that was probably $20 more, but you're sleeping on the floor on a pad. So we just, you know, paid extra for the beds, and this is what they look like. Bam. And as always, we always get the good spot right in front. You do need the insert key for electricity. Ta-da! And again, for 160 bucks, do I really have to turn on the TV? Oh, and you have to turn on the AC. Yeah, so as soon as you come in here, you have to turn on all these lights. Yeah. And then this is it. This is $160. Cute little air purifier. We got a nice view of the train track over there. That shower actually does get super hot. Saw the TV. I like this. Every time you come in here, it auto flushes, I think. Yeah. And it makes smell a little good. They gave us some complimentary stuff. And then this is the shower. Oh, he left the water on. Yeah. And it gets super hot in here. So, that's what 160 bucks will get you a night here in Kobe. But let me show you why we're here. You know, I will say the best part of this entire spot is right next door. We got Coco's, baby. We're gonna get some food. These things right here, they're little car parkers. This is a Times parking square. So if you want to park your car, that's where you park it. And I've seen people drive their cars into that building, and it's like an elevator that takes them up and down. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat too. I haven't seen it before. This is the first time I've seen it. This is us here. On a corner. Oh, here we go. Kobe tour, Mr. Garden. Okay, cool. Alright, I know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go one this way, and then we're gonna go back and I'm gonna show you guys the... Alright, so I know Coco's is next door, and y'all know I love Coco's, but we're not gonna do Coco's tonight. We got plans for something that's a little closer to home. I can give you one guess, and my only hint will be that there is not a single one of these in Albania, but I've been able to find it just about everywhere else in the world. Can you guess? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned so I can show you this gem in the wall. And there it is. Can't tell because my camera's a little wet because it's raining outside and I left my umbrella. McDonald's. We haven't had McDonald's yet in Japan, so I want to see what they got. So let's see. After 5 menu, what's new? What's new? Roasted soy triple size spicy chicken McNuggets. And amigo. Banana. Milk save. Okay. 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 That's all of them. Meat. Roasted soy sauce. No. Cancel. Roasted soy sauce. Thick beef. Thick double beef. Ooh. Ooh, shaka potato teriyaki flavor. Spicy nuggies. Edamame and corn. That's neat. Alright. This is after 5 p.m. A double chicken fillet sandwich with teriyaki too, shrimp, a bite. That's funny. Yeah, I know I juked you guys out a little bit, but it's actually crazy to think that in Albania, they did not have McDonald's, but they had KFC, Wendy's, and like Subway, and like a few other ones. But they did not have a single McDonald's inside Albania. That is crazy. But as you can tell here, they got some pretty good options for their McDonald's. You got spicy chicken nuggets. That's kind of interesting. And then on top of like some teriyaki and some shrimp stuff, that I know they don't sell shrimp burgers in America. So it's pretty cool. We got some, and we about to chow down. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned to see where we're headed off to after our Kobe city trip. So see you there.